YouTube? Welcome to Beach City Builds. It's your boy Ty. Sorry, try to excuse the lisp that I have. I got some Invisalign in, trying to fix my grill, so bear with me. But if you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe, please. That would definitely help the channel out. But today I have some Honda Prelude content finally. I know I've been a little lagging on the Prelude, but today we have a good one for you guys. Let me just show you guys what we're gonna be doing today. I end up cracking this part that holds the distributor to the cam and stuff, and I was gonna put some metal filler right there, but I don't know, I don't really like it, so I end up going to the junkyard and just getting a whole nother one. First I'm gonna clean it up and stuff before putting it in, but yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Oh, and I also got that stabilizer. Oh shit, my cardboard's flying away. It's a little windy here. It's a little windy. We got a windy day today, but that's what I'm gonna be doing, changing out that. And I also again got that stabilizer. I paid 45 bucks for this little thing and that stabilizer, so at my local junkyard, so not that bad. So yeah, we're just gonna be changing this. I'm gonna take off the distributor again. I do have some bad experience with the distributor, but now I know it's simple, it's real easy. Put it back on. I'll be taking off the sparks and removing the whole valve cover. I will eventually be repainting this one day, not today, but I'll be repainting that one day. But yeah, so let's get right into the video. I forgot to mention too, while I'm in there, I'll be changing out of course the gaskets, all the gaskets and the little rivets that goes to the valve cover. All right, I just finished up giving this a nice little clean. Looks a lot better than, of course, before. But first thing I want to do, of course, is unplug that battery. Next thing I'm gonna do is take out the spark plugs. I'm not gonna take the distributor off yet. I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna wait until I get all the bolts off stuff from get the gasket cover free, valve cover free, and then I'll take out the distributor. But let's get to it. Hope you guys can see. That's all these numbers on it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This, but the bolt that holds down this alternator harness, the bolt is stuck inside just the top nut. Came off, so yep. All right, so back to it now. Let's finish taking off this wiring harness. Now we could start removing the nuts, holding down. There's 8 nuts, 8 10mm nuts. ground wire. Put this up there, don't lose that. What's in there? Real quick. Yeah. Can't believe I did that. And that was from me not holding up the distributor while I'm tightening it. New washers, oh, flathead already. New washers already came when the gasket hit, so. These washers are trash. Driving and seen this nice ass Civic hatch, man, and that shit was turboed. I heard it. That shit was so clean. I should have got some footage of it. That's what I should have did. But he was cool Asian dude. But that really what made me like, yo, I gotta seeing his Civic. Like, yo, you gotta step the game on but even another thing too, even when I went to the car show this last something, even when I went to the car show last Saturday I believe, I did not see one prelude at a SoCal tournament. I didn't see one prelude, and I was like, yo, you gotta step it up. For real. So I believe now the valve cover should just come right out. Oh wait, got this little bolt, other ground. Business, baby. Sheesh. And the cameras don't look too bad. They look a little worn. Valve cover is off. So I'll be changing all these gaskets and this gasket as well. lost the whole bolt for the distributor. Where'd that shit go? I was supposed to get an O-ring, another O-ring. Now let's keep going. Take this off. Damn, look at that. Look at that. She just came right off. So the problem I was having was my sockets were too cheap, man. They were cheap. I didn't spend no good money on them when I first got them. They're from Walmart, you know, so they were stripping. So I ran to AutoZone, just got me a quick little Duralast set. Came with 10 to 19 millimeter, but because I already had a Duralast. I already had a Duralast ratchet and a Duralast extension, so now I got the matching sockets. So now the bolts are breaking loose like nothing, and we will carry on with the what is a repair. This is a repair. So these ones I had, this 12 millimeter one kept stripping. I don't know if you can see from the inside, but it's a little stripped. These Duralast ones, tough. Let's go. Thanks, inventory. Alright, so all the bolts are broken. Now I'm going to be taking off this piece that holds down the cam. Take these bad boys out. So again, we're going to be replacing, that piece right there. We're gonna be replacing that piece since I cracked it. Let's get it done. So finally got all the bolts off, and now this should just boom come right up. Place this to the side, put this down here, and so the piece I'm replacing is just this piece right there. That piece should just got it. Boom. So there's the piece I'm replacing. Just like that. So let's go ahead and start bolting it back together. First put these two bolts in. Then we'll go ahead and put back this. gaskets and seals back in, so and I already put that piece back, put the distributor back, and yeah, now I'm about to put the valve cover back on and start her up. So now I got all the grommets, all the 8 nuts and grommets back in there. So now I'm just go ahead and tighten them back up. And she started. Let's go. Yo, just want to say thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned, man. I got some big plans. Big plans for the prelude. Big plans, man. Nice wrap, some wheels, maybe a turbo, get an upgraded radiator. Big plans, man. Like again, like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think I should do to the lube. Again, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you. We out.